Open Telegram and search for DevyTricks. You can get direct link in this video description. Click on download link. Open any browser. Download Alight Motion. Before you install this, delete your old Alight Motion from your device if already installed. Okay, now let's get into tutorial. Create a new project. Follow my steps that you can learn. Here you can see new feature object. Add camera layer from here. Enable camera option just like this. Add null layer by going object section again. Go to camera layer and activate null layer like this. Go to move and transform, and locate first text to keep in frame. Follow my steps carefully to understand. If you know about keyframe set, will be easy to you. Adjusting the text to center. Add graphs between keyframes just like this. Add another null layer and do the same process. This time we are doing this for second text. graphs just like we added to last layer. You can copy and paste them. Add another null layer for last text. And do the same processes we did last to null layers. Add graph or paste from recent layer. Add rotation effect if you want.